afternoon, everyone. We are Group 2 and our project is Gumamela Jelly, and this is our members. Our leader, Mira Elaine Gumba, and Giancarlo Barakel, Jamaica Milyar, Abigail Masbang, and Madel Manalo. And these are the ingredients. Casserole, 2 gumamela flowers, 2 packs of gulaman, gulaman powder, and evaporated milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 6 cups of water.
First, we're going to put the 6 cups of water in a casserole.
Next, put gulaman powder.
Next, mix it thoroughly until the gulaman powder dissolves.
After 5 years later, ay ano? Kay Roger.
After dissolving the gulaman powder, we put it in the stove.
Continue stirring until water comes to a near boil. Remove the petals and squeeze it until the juice is come out.
Video mo rin siya.
Put the sugar in a gulaman and mix it thoroughly.
Post mo muna ko. Nakalimutan ko sa akin pala yun. Okay na. Put the evaporated milk and mix it thoroughly. Put the squeezed gumamela into a tablecloth. Hello. Ang init. And squeeze it again. Shit, ang init. Sorry, sir. Ano, Pilipino? After it's already done, put it on a container.
Dapat may balala ako. Mabala. Post mo na.
Wait until nearly cold and place it on a refrigerator.